Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? Today we are going to be making some baked wingdings. I put them in a separate bowl. I'm going to show you what we're going to do with those, okay? And then I also have my baking sheet with aluminum foil to try to give it a little crisp as I go on. And I'm going to go ahead and let's go ahead and get to the recipe. Okay, so I have washed my wingdings off. You wash them off real good, and then I'm going to pat them dry with your paper towel. Most of the time, 95%, you want all your poultry patted dry so that the seasonings can soak up in your meat. And when you wash it off, usually the seasoning will stay. You don't want a watery dish, first of all. Not unless you're making something smothered, okay? So I went ahead and we patted the wingdings dry. Then we're gonna start off with my Creole seasoning. That's right, guys. Come on, let's give it a little spice. Hands already clean. Now y'all know I like my garlic powder. Then guys, I'm going to use the olive oil Kraft vinaigrette Italian. We're going to go ahead and pour that over. So you want to go ahead and transform the wings over to your baking dish. So you use your seasonings to your tasting. I'm going to spread these out. Yummy, yummy. I'm going to hit it with just a little bit more of my Creole. Just a little bit. You don't want it too salty, so watch your salt intake. But like I always say, do what works best for you. I got the oven set to 375, and we're going to bake it, and I'll come back and tell you how long I baked it, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, so it took about 30 to 35 minutes for my wings. Now I do have a small size wing bag. I didn't get the real big one, so according to how big your wings are, your wingdings are, that's how long you should cook them. If they're bigger, maybe a good 40 minutes at 350. But I did cook it for about a good 30 minutes because my wingdings are small. Delicious. You can smell the Italian season coming through with those other seasons.
Here we go. There we go, guys. I want you to get a close-up on these delicious wings. Look at that. Take a bite. Delicious. Oh, my other sides I have here, guys. I have some leftover steak, jasmine rice, and my salad. It's like a Caesar salad, but I added some applewood bacon bits, the imitation, with some seasoned salad dressing. Okay, you get a little vegetables in, and then my rice and steak.
Let's get to these wings because that's what we're here for. Here we go. Delicious, guys. Try this at home. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Delicious baked Italian wings. Thank you so much for tuning in. You know the rest. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel before you leave and share this video so people can get up on this recipe. Y'all be blessed. You and your family have a blessed one. Thank you.